Sausage! Bloody hell! You need some lights on. Learn a driver. Well, I don't know who's learning you, but they're not doing a very good job of it. Now, the camera on the dash cam doesn't do it justice. It's a lot darker than what it's shown. No lights on. Driver's not the sausage, it's the person who's teaching them to drive is the sausage. Bloody hell! Let's see how long they actually realise. Usually you get other vehicles flashing them coming the other way. But not this time. No, that's not the lights, that's just the brake lights. But that shows you how dark it is. Come on, eh? I can't believe there's no drivers like flashing the person who's driving to tell them. Crazy.
For genuine emergencies, spent 3 times over, just 3 months into the financial year. Today, on top of the detailed document that I have provided to the House in July, the government is publishing a line-by-line breakdown.
Another nice indication. You big sausage! Bloody hell's bells, you're supposed to guess what you're doing.
Of unfunded pressures on the public.
From the red light, you daft get sausage.
To fall from 2.5% to 1.7% of GDP.
Bloody hell, just pull out!
But in Washington,
Blue sausage!
The International Monetary Fund.
Right, you are mighty.
Yeah. Whether it's through drugs or drink or whatever, or whether they're just unfortunate circumstances.
A lot of homeless people. I got a stupid car then. A lot of homeless people. What the friggin' hell are you doing? You stupid sausage! You got the whole friggin' motorway and you just pull in front like that. Bloody hell!